even with a couple losses.
We want to bring as much people on with us as possible.
Stop wasting your money on these funded account challenges. It's just ridiculous. Why even waste your money? You're going to lose it. You're throwing away money after money after money.
So we have full automation. Once you fail, you won't have to waste your time thinking maybe you didn't fail. Or
it's important for me to make sure that my lifestyle is taken care of. There's going to be some good days in the market. It's going to be some bad days. But it's important for me to make sure that my lifestyle is taken care of regardless of if I'm winning or if I'm not winning in trading.
Multiple streams of income. Multiple streams of income. Multiple streams of income.
You're never getting one of those, especially following IML niggas. Now, we're gonna start with number one with the IML niggas. First on our list is Mr. Rich Off the Net. Hey, let's just face it. IML is only targeting niggas. Let's face it. And all you Hispanics that sneaked over on the boat, they going after y'all too. All of y'all that sneaked in that little banana boat, they going after y'all too. Cause Chris Terry at the top, he's neither or. You fucking idiots.
Number one reason why people fail trading Forex. Do you want to know what it is? YouTube. YouTube is just inundated with bullshit Forex gurus, mentors, flippers, whatever you want to call them. It's just ridiculous. I turned $70 into $4,000 in a day. Bullshit. You gotta have a little bit of common sense. When you're online, you're going to YouTube to get your quality information from your favorite mentor, guru, whatever it might be.
Very crucial you guys actually follow these steps, because if you don't, then you guys are just gonna stay in the same place that you are. And let me tell you something, bro, the words that changed my life, man, like literally Dan Pena said this, like, bro, if you stupid cunts, he didn't say it just like that, but you know, that's how I rephrased it.
And I would do Skype without a picture. Now you see, you all think I'm bullshitting when I'm saying this. I'm telling you the fucking truth, you fucking monkeys. I've been doing this 50 fucking years. If you're a Mongoloid, if you're the Hunchback of Notre Dame, you don't.
Like literally, Dan Pena said this.
And your parents did it to you. And for those of you that put on your fucking paperwork, I have no regrets. God help you, Allah, Buddha, you fucking sorry weenies.
A very interesting point here. Now on Mr. Trading Get Paid's website, now you know a lot of these Forex traders, they met each other because they were all in the same marketing, you know, community, whether it be IML, whether it be something that's very similar to it. We both know that this dude came, yeah, he came from where? He came from IML. And guess where he also came from? It's almost like it's like this big fraternity of people who went through the same marketing classes, and then they all said, hey, let's all be traders at the same time. Reason why I say that is because I find it very interesting how all of their sites are very similar. They all give you this story on how they started in 2015, and you know, they give you the same video about what is Forex.
These day traders are out of control, okay? Because they keep promising bigger and bigger numbers. And I wonder, has common sense checked in with any of these guys? I mean, it used to be that you would say, I made like $600 on a YOLO call. Now, we're talking about turning 20K accounts, 30K accounts into millions of dollars. And some of you guys believe it.
It doesn't have to be every day, but about 1% of your cash amount.
So 2,000 is $20.
Yes.
Okay.
But just think, if you're doing that each day, that's still $100 a week, $400 a month. That's 20% return, which is huge. That's bigger than somebody on here I know is going to be like, Terry, nobody can make 20% a month. My students are doing it. They're making $1,000 in a day. Yeah. Like we know they're in a day challenge.
Wait. Where people were making $1 million in a day?
No.
Okay. I was about to say, girl, now you sounded too good to be true.
What? Now it sounds too good to be true? 20% returns a month is okay. Now it sounds too good to be true.
Too good to be true. You just don't know.
Yo, I'm just keeping it above. Okay.
But no, so if I could teach 1,000 people to make $1,000 in a day, that means my community, our trade and travel group, would be generating $1 million a day.
Wow.
And we've tracked that.
I am here with my brand new Ferrari. There's something wrong with my Ferrari. Do Ferraris suck? No. Do they have problems? Yes. But that I'd much rather have Ferrari problems than to have the problem of working every single day, 9 to 5, with a Ferrari that I hate, trying to pay down Ferrari loans, trying to pay down a Ferrari. And sadly, that is the reality for most people. Market's about to open. Market's about to open.
What's poppin', Snake Gang?
What's going on, Snake Gang?
What is poppin', Snake Gang?
I struggled with life. I struggled with Forex. I struggled so hard for, years. And, I'm only 19, so, I was struggling before I was even legally allowed to struggle.
Literally 2:15 in the afternoon right now. Haven't even eaten nothing all day, man. Trader lifestyle is really difficult.
Well, you turned 2,000 into $1 million. How's it going?
I turned 20,000 into a little over 3 million now. Turned 12,000 now into $5 million.
Well, stop. You already sound like all...
No.
1.8 million, guys. It was just last week. How did you do that?
Well, throughout middle school, I've been learning about stocks, so I started at a very low age.
I always wanted to live in a huge-ass mansion. Being broke and seeing my parents really pissed me off, so I said I'm going to go out there and really make a lot of money. Millions of dollars was the goal. And, 3 years later, look at me now. This could be you if you work hard.
I ain't trying to catch no fucking coronavirus in an elevator, bitch. I'm about to be successful as fuck.
I don't know.
Sounds sketchy.
Yeah, so I want your opinion.
Yeah.
Like, what do you think about courses?
Common sense would say, like, if you're a millionaire and you're doing great, then why bother selling a course?
Exactly.
Okay. What's your response to that?
Okay, what trumps all those, critics?
Well, hold on, though.
Yeah.
So, again, why sell a course?
I'm a 26-year-old Forex trader, and I've helped thousands of people become successful in Forex trading. Besides just making money for myself, I love helping others make money. So I have thousands of students now in over 60 countries.
While helping thousands of my students do the exact same thing.
There's no purpose to really walk around with cash like that. There's not. It's really just to flex on y'all. It's to make you think this is how wealthy people are. This isn't how wealthy people are. Real wealthy people do not flash cash like that all the time. What does that have to do with his ability to teach you how to day trade, showing cash like that? It's just another lifestyle thing. So remember our checklist. Lifestyle. Are they selling lifestyle? We're already at the point where I feel like Swaggy C might have checked off about two red flags already. He's not even in it. This is just the intro. It's a gold chain that says Swaggy on it. I thought he said he came across financial literacy, right? People who come across financial literacy don't buy custom jewelry that says Swaggy on it. And I bet money he'll claim that jewelry is an investment. Then he said he dropped out of college in his last year, and he spent 7 years learning everything about finance. In between that time, though, he was able to be on 2 nationally televised reality TV shows. That takes a little time away from your aggressive studies. Okay.
Yeah. What else do I need? Do I need 2 screens? I don't. I don't need to look like a professional because I don't. I'm not a professional. I'm a day trader.
It looks oversold to me. What makes sense now is if you come to this stock and say to yourself, well, this stock is worth shorting now. Well, to me, it's oversold. So that's the stock I'm actually going to focus on. That's the stock I'm going to short. That's the stock I'm going to trade. So with the stock market, guys, stocks nowadays, they're lacking volume, they're lacking volatility, and they're kind of, confusing direction-wise.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
You come to this stock and say to yourself, well, this stock is worth shorting now. Well, to me, it's oversold.
So the secret sauce, for all these Forex gurus on YouTube is pass the FTMO challenge, get your certificate, and then go on YouTube and make lots of money selling courses, selling signals, selling your soul, whatever. And it's so crazy. And they all use the same hustle. They all use the same grind, canvases in their backgrounds. I mean, they literally just must have a Forex Gurus for Idiots seminar that they put on, and all these fuckers just line up and pay whatever price because they know that there's way more money for them selling courses than there are in actually trading the markets, because they suck. They don't know what they're doing, and they are trying to convince you that they do. Price action. You hear all these douchebags talking about price action this, institutional candle that, trade the way the banks trade. Bullshit. Holy shit. If I hear one of these things one more fucking time, I'm gonna fucking pop somebody in the face. I mean, it's just crazy. You know, it's like, what, you think they've got some inside information? Seriously? You know, they're 22 years old and they know how banks trade? Fuck, they don't even know how banks work, much less how they trade. You know, anybody that's consistently profitable isn't trading people on YouTube.
Hey everybody, Sharlinefx. Well, a lot of times I get the question of, you know, how did I start with Forex? You know, who are my mentors? I actually started with Forex through IML. So I left and I became a Wall Street Academy student, but at the same time, I'm still cutting my losses where I should. Now, I did not follow those rules to my T with FTMO because, again, psychologically, I'm just trying to get it over with. So my patience just was not there, guys. I was just trying to get it over with and get out. But couple that with the fact that the market was doing a bunch of BS and it was just throwing everything off, and I ended up losing the maximum loss on the account, which was 10,000. The profit target was 5. This was the first verification that I did when I did the $100,000 account, and I ended up losing this one. This one I stuck to the 5, 10, 15 lot trades.
And also be wary of people that sell courses and signals and then they put special sales. Okay, well, if they're giving you a discount on any product that they offer, basically what they're telling you is their product isn't worth what they're selling it for, honestly.
To take advantage of our
Black Friday promotion.
And there's no telling how long it's going to be in place.
I'm back. Oh, Uncle P, is the deal still going on?
Look, get the deal while it's here, because when it's over, it's over.
You know, people will have a course and they'll discount it, and it just drives me bananas because it just tells me right off the bat that it's not even worth what they are promoting it for normally, much less at the discounted price. Use a little common sense. Does it make sense what they're saying? I mean, all these guys sound the exact same way. If 90% of the people fail in Forex and 90% of them say the exact same thing, is that a coincidence? No, because what they say is so vague. There's no specificity of it. There's no concreteness. It's all just so vague that they can just get away with saying, well, here's the support, here's resistance, here's where it's consolidating, and you know, this is where I look for a buy, this is where I look for a sell. But they don't have to give you any actual information. They just make it so vague, and people are like, wow, you're a genius. Yeah, bullshit.
It is a one-time fee as of right now. That could change, okay? But